Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, CEO is asking freshers to work 18 hours a day without Rona Dona, without crying or without telling anyone if freshers should be able to work 18 hours a day. Now the second controversy. So if you want to reject freshers, if you want to filter freshers, call them at 8 a.m. for the interview. If they pick, take the interview. If they don't pick, reject them. Call the candidate at 11 p.m. For the interview. If they pick, then select them, otherwise you reject them. Okay, so this is again the second controversy, and this LinkedIn post was deleted as soon as possible by the co-founder of Princeton Care. So the first post definitely was by CEO, and the second post was by the co-founder of Princeton Care. And one more news I will be covering in this video, that Cognizant, 1.2 lakhs employee resigned in 90 days. So we will watch the video till the end. I mean, we all will watch and we will understand what basically we should do. Okay, now, so what is the environment is getting created? I'm not going to criticize anyone. See, CEO has put his point that the fresher should work 18 hours a day. Okay, so out of 24 hours, so even you will not be getting time to sleep. See, 18 hours you are working, remaining 6 hours, right? So 2 hours at least you will be taking bath, having breakfast, dinner, right? So only 4 hours you get to sleep. Okay, so you will not be even getting 4 hours to sleep. So CEO has put his point that the freshers, that the candidates should put 18 hours of work a day without any rona zona. Now, friends, it depends upon you how do you take it. Okay, so it totally depends upon you how do you take it. Now the second controversy, which is, see, so call the candidate at 8 a.m. in the morning for the interview. If he picks, well and good, otherwise reject him. Call for the tele interview at 11 p.m. If he comes, okay, if he picks the call, then well and good, otherwise reject him. See, late workers, I mean the person is waking up till late night, that means he will be able to work more. The person will be able to the person will be able to wake up in the morning early, so call that candidate. Got the candidate to a detailed business case, real world thinking. Got the candidate to spend 6 to 8 hours in the office. So got the candidate to spend 6 to 8 hours in the office, so that he will understand the culture and the we will check his patience that he is able to spend in that or not. Did in-person interview at 9 p.m. intentionally, okay, long working hours. Okay, regularly did Sunday interviews, extraordinary commitments, that means you are coming to office on Sundays, then only they will select you. Okay, for outstation candidate, asked them to show up next day, that means that candidate is coming from the long way, staying in a hotel, and you are simply making them stay, and then only you are selecting. So these are the criteria. Okay, otherwise they will filter the phrases, they will reject the candidates. Okay, see, this is by the co-founder and the founder. But see, I will not say anybody is wrong here. Okay, see, this is their point of view. Okay, see, it's you have to think what basically you are going to do. So I will share one LinkedIn post also, friends. So see, I was giving one example, and this is literally you might be knowing also, I do not have father. So I lost my father, and he was diagnosed with cancer. He wanted to spend time with me. He was always telling, you sit with me, we will talk, we will go somewhere. But I never realized that, because I was staying in Bangalore and he was staying at my village in Bihar. And I did not spend time with him till until I lost. So until I lost him, and today I realize, many times, I always realize that I should go and sit with him, I should spend some time with him. Okay, see, I'm not going to criticize anyone. Okay, either Santanu Deshpande, I mean respected Santanu Deshpande sir, or sir Harsima Bir Singh. Okay, so I'm not going to criticize anyone. I just wanted to tell you, friends, see, he has put his view, which is not correct according to us. But at the same time, either we are fresher or experienced, has to understand that a job is not everything. See, our family is everything, health is everything. See, today if you do not have good health, you are nothing. Okay, you are useless even for your family. Okay, so health is everything, family is everything. If you will work for 18 hours, when you will give time to yourself, the family will only support you. When we are in trouble, nobody else will support you. Okay, see, even the IT companies will tell, so this is a 3 lakhs or 2 lakhs or 5 lakhs rupees is there, so do whatever you want. Okay, so see, you work for what you get paid and be happy in that. So you work for 8 hours, if you get paid for 8 hours, you work for 10 hours, you get paid for 10 hours, you work for 12 hours, but make sure that you spend time with your father, mother, brother, sister. Life is very short, my dear friends. Understand before it is too late. Work is never ending. See, work will never end always. You will be doing some other work, okay? But family and health is everything, okay? See, I miss my father a lot. He was my idol. I should have spent a lot of time with him when he was alive. I don't even have a photo of me and my father alone. So always you can see, right? So the together photos is there, but I mean, me and him in one photo is not there. So friends, today I have money. So I have money. I mean, I can I can eat, I can roam, I can do things. Okay, I'm settled. But can somebody tell me how many hours should I work to spend some time with my father? How many hours should I work so that I can get my father back? Nobody can tell, right? See, that was my decision. And people, see, you might comment that you are running behind money and all those things. No, it's all about realization, which we do not realize. So friends, you have to take a right decision. See, there will be people like this. So today her sir is there, yesterday somebody else was there, tomorrow somebody else will be there, but you have to think and you have to take the decision. See, if somebody is calling at 11 p.m, don't pick the call, don't go to that kind of company. If somebody is calling you at 8 a.m, don't go to that kind of company. If somebody is asking you to come and wait, asking you to wait for 1 or 2 days, don't go to that kind of company. There are a lot of company in this world. Earn little less, but avoid this kind of companies, friends, my dear friends. Please understand. See, what do you think? Why Cognizant? Okay, see, why 1.2 lakhs employee resigned from Cognizant in 90 days? What might be the reason? See, friends, according to me, it's very simple. People are giving lot of reasons. So this was there, business were not there, this is not there, that is not there. See, it's very, it's the company has to understand, if you want to retain the employee, okay, if you want to retain the employee, you need to understand where and what mistake you are doing. Okay, see, the attrition rate was not that high. Either you are not paying them well, right? See, there might, see, either you are not paying. See, I'm not talking in terms of the technical reasons what they have given. See, if the employee will get well paid, they will not leave the company. Okay, see, if the employee will be treated well, then they will not leave the company. Okay, see, we only leave the company because we are not getting treated well, we are not getting paid well. So there are this kind of reasons are the main factors. That is the reason people moves. Okay, see, the projects and all will be still fine. Like some people wanted to get into development, some want to get into testing, so that all things are accepted. But for that, 1.2 lakhs employee will never leave any company together in 90 days. So you have to understand what is a mistake, any company. So what is a mistake is happening, why you are not able to retain the employee. So that is the main thing which you have to think. Okay, so you have to pay them well, we have to treat them well. Definitely employee will be there with you. I have seen employees working from 10 years, 15 years in the same organization as well. So friend, this is a small information which I wanted to share with you. So don't worry about all those things. So there will be things happening around, but I will say you take your decision, right? And if you think that I'm doing the right videos for you, if I am able to convey the things to you, if we are doing a lot of hiring videos, preparation videos, then kindly subscribe to our channel and also click on bell icon, so that you get all the videos on time. See, many people are telling this L&T hiring is closed. See, if when we put that and if you don't apply, okay, see, even last four days before I had put that. So if you don't apply, then definitely that I mean, the page will expire, or the seat will get full, because they have a limited number of seats, right? So all the best, friends, and all these things will be keep happening, but you take a decision for your life and things will be better. So thank you, take care, all the best.